Hello and welcome back to Created by Vision LLC. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Canva to create 100 plus of anything, business cards, name cards, social media posts, etc. And before we start, make sure to watch each segment in its entirety before going to the next, as each step will build on the last. Getting straight into the video, first things first, you're going to need your business card design or whatever you're creating. And you can either purchase templates or go to Canva's template library and choose a template of your choice. As you see here, I chose this emerald and gold business card for a real estate business, which has a design for the front and back. For this tutorial, we are going to pretend that we just started a real estate business and we need business cards for our team of 25. We want the front design to stay the same for everyone, but on the back, we need everyone's headshot, name, position, and extension number. So before we actually update the cards, we want to make sure that things like the name and position of the text box can accommodate our text. So we'll just adjust those first. Then currently the card does not have a spot for an extension number. Therefore, we will need to add the abbreviation for extension. And we'll need to create another text box for the number. And we can do so by copying and pasting this one. And then of course, make your adjustments. Okay, so now that our card is prepped, we need the information for our 25 team members. So we're going to go over to the left toolbar and find the option for bulk create. If you don't see it, you can also go to apps and search for it there. Click this. Now we need to fill out the information for our team. Again, we want to update their photo, name, position, and extension number. For this part, you can either enter these things manually by selecting Enter Data Manually. Here, you'd simply add your information, and up here, you can click Add Text to add more columns or add an image. The second thing you can do is upload a spreadsheet with this information already in it. When this feature first rolled out, I would copy and paste data or information from an Excel sheet in the area that I just showed you. You could also upload a CSV file. However, now in Canva, you can link information straight from Google Analytics, HubSpot, and Statista data. And most recently, and this is the way I'm going to show you for this tutorial, you can actually create spreadsheets in Canva and upload those sheets in your designs and use them with this app. I already made a spreadsheet using this method, and I won't go into all the things you can do with Canva sheets today, but if it's something you do want to see more videos on, as well as other new features, definitely be sure to subscribe. So when I click Sheets, it'll bring up the spreadsheets I have in Canva. So we'll click the one for this tutorial. And as you can see, it automatically fills in all the things we'll be adding to our business card. It was too much to add photos for every single person, so I just added images for the first 6 employees. And then if all your information looks good, you'll click Done. Okay, so now we have our business cards prepped, our information was uploaded. Now it's time to put it all together. To link our text and images, we're going to connect our data element by element. So text box by text box, and then of course our image. In other words, we have to tell Canva where each piece of information should go. So starting with the name, click the text box, then the ellipses, and go down to where it says connect data. As you see here, it gives us a list of the columns or different pieces of information we uploaded. Here we want the person's full name, so click that. And you'll see that the first text box is now linked. Then we'll do the same for their position. Next, the extension number. And last, the image. Now that we have all that done, card prepped, information uploaded, everything linked, We're going to select continue and generate your designs. Now, Canva will create a separate file for your 50 business cards, so front and back design for our 25 employees. So if you need to revisit your template and create more cards in the future, you can. And this new file will appear on your home page along with all your other designs and projects. And it'll be titled Bulk 1 in parentheses and the name of your design. And here you go, 25 professionally designed business cards for your whole team, and we could have made even more than this. I love tools like this because they let you design with intention and scale in mind. If you want to learn more about tools that can help you scale and streamline your business, be sure to like and subscribe. Happy creating, and I'll catch you next time.